Yeah. Barnacles are all the yellow things on these rocks. I don't see anything in there. All the yellow stuff. No. Look, a bird got to a crab here.
Gross.
Look, Ash.
Where?
Right here.
Ew. Oh man, we got one in there.
Yeah. Just be careful. Oh, here's a look. Here's a sea star. Yeah, but just it's slippery. He's stuck. He's suctioned on. I don't want to rip him off. Do you see him?
It's so cool. Where?
Come over here.
It's in a
Him. Look, Ash.
Is this a rock? Can I stand on that?
Oh.
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Look, Ash.
Does it suction?
Yeah, on the back.
Like
See?
to your hand?
No.
Is he okay? Do you want a picture?
Yeah, hurry. He has to be in water.
Do you want to be in it?
Oh, quick. Ooh! Ew!
Wait, I want to hold it.
Wait, let me get a picture of you.
Growing up.
Quick, quick, quick.
All right,
Put it back in water.
put it back in.
Oh, but I want to
He's
hold
shriveling
it
up.
too.
He's shriveling up.
Does he die that fast? It's like fast.
No. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I can see fine here.
But I want to be in it.
Yeah, you're in it. Okay.
I don't know. Maybe a light spot or something. That's where I took my selfie up there. Bird ate it. Jeez, not a good idea.
The crab killed you.
Slipped out. I was trying to grab it, but
So you were close too. He's still right there.
yeah,
Want me to hold your bag?
don't really want to get pinched. Thank you. Let's see if I can get him. I don't know, Dr. Meyer got him. grab him. I'm like afraid.
You got him.
No. If I grab it the right way, he won't be able to pinch. Oh no, he's pinching. Yeah. Oh, he got me.
Does it hurt?
A little bit.
Can I get a close up of him?
Sure, yeah. You wanna? Or, oh yeah, here. My bag.
Oh, you
Yeah,
got it?
thank you.
Can I just hold him from the bottom and top?
Yeah, if you hold him from the side, or yeah, maybe the bottom and top if you want.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
He'll pinch, but he won't. I don't think he can draw blood. Yeah. All right, guys. Take care.
Yeah, have a
Nice
good one.
meeting you. Are you going out that way? These plants have little air-filled bubbles on them that you can probably get cool stuff in there, but it's I don't have enough time. Oh, a snail.
Let me see the snail. No, it wasn't that.
This? It's a snail.
No, there was something tiny moving.
Oh, I don't know. Really small?
Yeah. I don't see it.
I think I saw a couple sea spiders in there, but I couldn't grab them.
Maybe you should put your Who?
A mosquito?
Yeah. He's sitting on my leg.
Why'd you come up so early, Ash?
There wasn't anything down there.
We saw a sea